today I'm going to be reviewing our friend Kirly-Sue's brand new Cooking with Kids vegan cookbook. I actually was invited to her book launch and got to interview some of the guests that were there, so I just knew that I had to review it just as a separate video for you guys to find out a bit more about the book. And also I'm going to be interviewing her on my brand new The Inspired Vanessa Show podcast, so don't forget to stay tuned for that, and also an exclusive interview about Kirly-Sue's brand new book. So the first thing I'm going to tell you guys about the book is I'm going to read a little piece from the introduction that is inside of the book, so that you guys can kind of get a little bit of a taste of what the book is about. So, vegan cooking for children is easier than you think. In this book you will find simple and easy to follow recipes using ingredients that are easy to find and are probably in your kitchen cupboard already. Making fresh, delicious vegan meals for and with your child has many benefits. Try not to feel too nervous about experimenting with some of the ingredients or adding a few more herbs and spices if required. So the first couple of pages before the recipes actually start it has a lot of like introductions and little helpful tips on, for example, why you should become a vegan. In the beginning of the book it has lots of helpful tips and tricks on how to change the different ingredients that you may use to fit with your diet, and it also has a couple of pages on how you could become a vegan and why you should become a vegan. So now on to the recipes. So there is breakfast, a lunchbox, dinner, side dishes, snacks, cakes, bakes and desserts, and juices and smoothies. I love how the colours in the book and obviously the recipes are suitable for children and for the parent to cook with their child. So we're going to go on to the first section, which is breakfast. Now obviously I'm not going to go through every single recipe in this book, because in that way I'm just reading you guys the whole book by itself. So I just wanted to show you guys some important elements of the book that makes this book stand out from many other vegan cookbooks, especially ones for kids. So here one of the recipes in the breakfast section is baked banana, cinnamon and raisin pancakes. Now that makes my tummy start to rumble, but if you guys can see in the corner it has these three little chef hats, and this is to rate how difficult or how hard the recipe is. In the corner it also shows how long it will take and how many portions that the recipe is for. Now I would find this extremely helpful, because I wouldn't want to be making something that would take super long or that would be pretty difficult. It also comes with a handy shopping list so that the reader can obviously find the different items that they may not have at home. I think the lunchbox section is super cool because it shows different sandwiches you can make for your kids and perhaps for school, and not only are they healthy but they look super fun for them to eat. One recipe that I am super excited to start trying out is the pumpkin and raisin cupcakes. Now I have tried out Kirly-Sue's cupcakes and they are delicious, and I cannot wait to start making them with her cookbook. So you guys are probably thinking, okay Vanessa, the book is amazing, but where can I get one for myself? So you guys can actually order the book on www.kirlysueskitchen.co.uk and order your book there. Before I do wrap up this video, I just wanted to show you guys the blurb of the cookbook, which says, grab your pans and wash your hands because your kids want to help you to cook. World famous TV celebrity chef Suzanne Kirly, also known as Kirly-Sue, shares her passion for healthy, wholesome vegan cooking with infectious enthusiasm, and she wants to help you train your children to do the same. Every recipe has a difficulty rating so that you can judge how much your child can assist you. And there's everything you need to know to make the switch to a vegan lifestyle and set up your perfect kitchen. From plantain porridge to banana bread, there are soups, salads, breakfasts, dinners and smoothies and desserts galore in this charmingly illustrated healthy cookbook. Thank you all so much for watching this video and learning more about Kirly-Sue's amazing Cooking with Kids vegan cookbook. Don't forget to also follow Kirly-Sue on all of her social medias. It will be in the description down below. And if you get to like this video and comment down below if you would like to get a copy of her brand new book. Also don't forget to subscribe to both of our YouTube channels. The red subscribe button is right down below there and you guys can join the Inspirators family. And without further ado, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!